And finally, lesson 3-6, math boxes. Number 1 says the normal spring high temperature in Los Angeles is 72 degrees Fahrenheit. The normal low is 56 degrees Fahrenheit. What is the difference between the temperatures? The difference, I can add up from my lowest to count to the highest like we've been practicing, or I could subtract them, find that difference. What's the in-between number to get to each number? Write your number model. It doesn't say with a question mark, so put the answer in when you find it and answer down here. You can show your work in the space below. Number 2, fill in the circles next. Oh, look at circles, plural. Next to the measurements that are about equal to the mass of 1,000 paper clips. Hint, 1 paper clip is about 1 gram. So is it about 10 grams, about 1,000 grams, about 1 kilogram, or about 100 kilograms? There's 2 answers there. Number 3, Rita has 26 stickers and shares them equally among herself and 2 friends. How many stickers does each get? Each child gets how many stickers? And there are blank leftovers. Remember, when we have leftovers in math, that's called a remainder. And how we represent the remainder is the big R. So you have to do your number model and you have to write in your remainder. Don't forget. Number 4, complete the fact triangle. Write the fact families. 5 times 8 equals what? You should have cut these triangles out previously. They were in the back of your math journal and you should be practicing these. 5 times 8 equals what? Remember, fact families, you're going to have 2 multiplication number models and you're going to have 2 division number models. That's like saying if you can multiply 2 numbers to get a number, and you can flip-flop them, then you should be able to divide that answer and flip-flop the answers. You should only be using the same 3 numbers for 1, 2, 3, 4 number models. Number 5, record the time. What time is it? And what time will it be in 25 minutes? Remember, that short little hand says the hours. The big tall hand, the big greedy hand, counts all of the minutes. Figure out that time and then add 25 minutes to it. Number 6, a soccer ball has a mass of about 425 grams. A softball has a mass of about 184 grams. What is their total mass? We don't know the total yet, but we're trying to find the total. So what is that asking you to do? And we don't know the answer yet, so put a question mark is what it's telling you. And then an answer, about. Is that an exact answer? No, but it's going to be pretty close, and make sure you put the unit. Remember, the label goes up on top. It's just underneath to remind you. When you are finished with this, send a picture to your teacher.